Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to hide bank account number from last 4 digit in Microsoft Excel. So get started. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then show bank account number. Then we correct the hide bank account number in the last 4 digit. Firstly, select your hide number in the select or columns option and keyboard press from the equal and try to lift, then keyboard press first bracket and first account number select and comma. Now for keyboard press from the 7, again the first bracket close, then keyboard press and double quotation and 5 star. Now again double quotation and keyboard press from the control enter. That's okay. Then I show the hide last 4 digit in Microsoft bank account number in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.